Hello everybody! Today I'm going to take a close-up look at a reusable Yeo Valley shopping bag. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a reusable Yeo Valley shopping bag. It is made from recycled plastic bottles. I'm just taking a look at the details of the shopping bag. And as we can see, it is in the folded state. And to give you some sense of perspective and size of the folded up shopping bag, just placing my hand over the bag and now taking a close-up look at the details, so we can see that it does have a fabric or nylon carry handle, and we can see that it does have a low gloss, nearly matte design for its outer shell, and of course we can see the Yeo Valley Organic branding on it as well. And now let's go ahead and unfold the bag and open it up so you have a better sense of its design and once again the size in its opened up state. So we can see a phrase there, feel good shopping, as well as the Yeo Valley Organic branding on the upper right hand side of the bag. So flipping it over, we can see the same design on both sides. And once again, taking a much closer in look at its details, so you can see what the texture and overall design of this bag is like. So obviously right there, once again, we see the Yeo Valley Organic branding. And towards the bottom, feel good shopping, with a cow wearing some red roller skates. And let's go ahead and open it up even further by puffing up the bag and giving you a look at the other details. So we can see on the side got the "You Got This" slogan at the bottom of the bag and stating that it is made from recycled bottles. And same thing appearing on the opposite side of the bag. So overall, giving you a look at its details, and of course the bottom or base of the bag. And to give you once again some sense of its width, just placing my hand over the folded up base or bottom of the bag, and now taking a look at the inside. So giving you a look at the inside of the bag, you can see that it is lined. So giving you a look at the lining as well as the stitching details with those nylon handles in green, and we can see that it does have green stitching as well. So giving you a sense of the materials and overall design of this a reusable Yeo Valley shopping bag. And of course, to give you a sense of the depth of the bag, and its interior dimensions and details right there, giving you a look directly inside of this reusable Yeo Valley shopping bag. It's right there, giving you a full look, laid flat on the tabletop. And of course, folded up. So that's a reusable Yeo Valley shopping bag. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!